Hi all. Today we are going to learn on a timetable how to create a timetable using a HTML code. Okay. First, basically, like I have described the basic structure of a HTML. As you know, this is the I have written inside the style tag. I have written a styling elements over there for a styling purpose. Then coming to the I have body. I have given a table class is equals to timetable. Then I have created a uh, tr means table row we have to give what all rows we will give, and th is a table head. What is the table head we will be giving? I have given hours and data of for hours. I have given this data. Okay. Then coming to the next row, like in next row, what should be mentioned over here? I have given a I have opened next table row tag, that is tr tag, and I have mentioned here uh, my day column, like td class is equals to day column, that is like Monday. I have mentioned over here, and then td class is equals to theory. Here I have used span class is equals to for spanning purpose I have used. Uh, then I have used a maths subject, and I have then again I have done used a span class is equals to theory class. Nutrition, like here continuously I have mentioned the subjects over here. Okay. Similar way, for every day, Tuesday, Wednesday, what all subjects are there, I have mentioned over here. You can see the code. Okay, till Friday, I have written the what all subjects for time it is taking. No, like for which time, for which subject we have assigned a timetable. We have shown here. This is the code for timetable which I have shown here. Let us see the output over here. This is the output in first row hours, like 9:30 to 9:50, 9:55 to 10:45, 10:50 to 11:49. Here and also for Monday, continuous subjects are I have given over here. If it is extendable for 2 hours, then I was spanning or merging those things. Okay, for Tuesday, I have merged this subject. Okay, as you seen the subject, as you seen in the code, uh, and then for lunch break, we have usually have a span over here at 12:05 to 1:15 for any, if you are merging or any you are keeping the things in in two columns in a one subject, you have to use a span, call span or a row span. That is mandatory. You have to think. You have to be intelligent which span you are using, call span or row span. Row span usually use it for while using or merging the rows. Call span you will be using while merging the column. That's it. Okay. Coming to the next code, here usually this is the registration form. I think we have already discussed on forms in previous session. Let us know how like Google Developers Group registration form. This is a simple project like I have to. So let us see. As you see, like same structure, body structure of HTML I have used over here. I have used H1 tag for to represent the Google Developers Group registration form. Then I have used text input like for label for a name, full name, and input type is equals to text for name. This is like input type is a uh, tag which you are using for text input how we use. This is the format how we use the text input. Okay. Then email input same similar way you are using input the same way. Um, then coming to the password also like we are using a label and input type is equals to password. Okay. Then coming to the Dropbox, I have given these are all values for a Dropbox. It will show in a drop down button. Then coming to the radio button, it will mention I have given these values beginner or intermediate or advanced. You have to click on the radio button for choosing the options. Okay. Then coming to the check boxes, these are all the values which I have given for check boxes. You know, uh, like radio button will be in circle shape, or if you can click the select the option. Checkboxes like it is a square box, we can select option. Similar, both the way of same, only structure is different. Okay. Here these are all values. You can if you select any one options, multiple options you can select in the checkboxes. In radio button you have to select only one option. This is one thing you have to remember. Then coming to the text area, text area like I have given us some message like text area we can write any more number of words you can write over there. And then date input or like I have given a I have used a label a birth date like date of birth like input type same way input type a date I have used over here and birth date. You can date or date will if you mention date input type is equals to date, then it will show the calendar for you. Okay. Then range input. Range input label input type is equals to range I have given, then it will show the range. And file input file input I have given a input type is equals to file. File it will if we keep a file it will upload a file. Okay. Then submit button. Here input type is equals to submit value is equals to submit registration. Okay. Let us see the output over here. This is the output. You can give a name over here, email address, password. You can select any options in a drop down. You can give a experience level. What is the experience level? You can select over here. In technologies of interest, you can select multiple values, and you can write a message over here for why do you want to use GDG, and you can select the date of birth of yours. It will show the date of birth, and you can rate how much dedication level you have, and you can upload the file over here as I showed and submit. That's it. Coming to next, this is the sample program of personal portfolio. Okay. Justly, I have mentioned H1 tag like personal portfolio, and I have used H3 tag my name Meghna MS. Image SRC like image link as I showed earlier. How to link the image? Just I have saved my image in my folder where the HTML files are present. Okay, you can use this way also, or else you can give a link of an image where is present. Better easy way, keep your image in your HTML files is present. No, that is easy way. You can keep it easy. So same path it will get. No. Okay. So I have downloaded the image like profile, and I have given an extension dot profile dot jfio. Like what is the extension of the image? I have checked it and I have mentioned over here. And coming to the p tag, I have given a simple paragraph, and then H2 skills I have given. Your UL tag I have used UL tag like unordered list. You know very well. And in order unordered list, you have to list you have to use a li tag for a list. Okay, I have used like HTML typing framework, teamwork. That's all. And also I have given a mail ID link. For that purpose, I have used a href tag. Okay, we can see the output how it comes. This is the personal portfolio, which is and now just sample image I have given. Paragraph it is displaying, skills in another list it is displaying, and contact me. It will go to the mail. Okay. Uh, Coming to the next. Here I have I thought like I need to explain. I have given a simple task like on resume. How to build a resume using a HTML. This is very interesting, right? Yeah. Usually, like for writing resume and for preparing a resume will take lot of time. I know. Yeah, this is the best way and professional way to create a beautiful and professional resume, I think. Let's see. Okay. Firstly, I have defined the HTML structure. Then I have given a style tag. In style tag, I have mentioned all the CSS for body, container, H1 and H2, HR, table tag and table, TLs and TD what should be there, and EL another list. All the formats I have given a styles over there. You can research for each and everyone you can research. Okay, there is no much tough over here. Giving styles. Coming to the body, I have used div class is equals to container because just formatting the resume I have used container formatting. Then h1 is equals to my name I have given in paragraph tag strong tag I have used. It will show display the strong like font size I think it will show email ID and phone number, contact number and location I have mentioned over here. I have closed the HR tag. Sorry. I have opened the HR tag now. This is the header tag. In a header tag, like I have given a H2 like career objectives and paragraph I have given like what are my career objectives. Then coming to the next H2 tag education. Just these are headings for how we define resume, right? what all educations should be done. Those all things I have defined over here. I have created a table with table head like a degree, institution, year and the percentage of CGPA. Yeah, mentioned over here. And then coming to the next data, BTech and Gitam University in 2019, like percentage it is like 85.5. This is the table data. Same way, I have given a second class and 10th class as well. Uh, so after the education, I have mentioned my technical skills. Okay, I have used over here another list. Um, I have given all the my technical skills over mentioned over here. Here, like I have mentioned all my technical skills, and then coming to next experience. Overall, I have experience I have mentioned over here. Then my projects I have mentioned overall projects I have worked over here, and languages which I know English, Hindi, and Kannada, and declaration form. Simply I have written a declaration and signature. Okay, let us see the orbit over here. This is the orbit. This is looks good, right? I have written my name, my contact details, and career objective. What should be there? And education. It is in a table format very well. My degree, like for engineering on second class and first class, or in which college I have studied and in which I have passed, and the percentages over here, and technical skills in another list. I have mentioned all the technical skills I have and experience. Mention my experience over here and projects which I have worked in the projects and languages as I said earlier and declaration. This is the resume which we can easily create through HTML code. We will learn more in next session. Thank you so much.